Okay, so this is a quick demonstration video on how to download and install CovNet Runner. What ConvNet Runner is exactly, it's just a GUI application that lets you train a custom image classifier. What you're going to want to do first is create a project for Python project. You can use any IDE you like, though I really recommend using PyCharm, as it is very beginner friendly. As it is like very organized, it helps keep all the libraries organized. Each project has its own library, so like the projects don't mess with each other. Then what you are going to want to do is clone this repository, and what you do is you go to here, code, then you click here, you copy. Then what you want to do is start the terminal. You see that it starts the virtual environment automatically. Then you want to do the command git clone, then paste the URL and hit enter. This process will take, okay, not this process was fast. You see it cloned very quickly. Sorry, what you're going to want to do is then cd into CovNet Runner. Then you want to do pip install r requirements and hit enter. Okay, this process will take a little bit of time. It'll take around like 5 minutes, give or take, just to install all the libraries. It is not much, but it's some heavy-duty libraries. This project mainly uses PyQt5 for like the user interface, and then it downloads the modules from the TensorFlow hub, so you can perform transfer learning onto your own custom data. Okay, so we're going to pause the video here and come back when it finishes installing. Okay, so after it has completed the installation, you'll see something like this. And then you're going to want to go into this file and run it. One thing to take notice of is that you're going to preferably want to run this program on a desktop, not a laptop, unless it's a laptop that has like a good GPU, then maybe you can do that, as well as it's very important if you can download Cuda and CuDNN as well, because it will help in the training process a lot. I will leave a very helpful tutorial in the description. Okay, so after you hit run, you will get this window, and it is very easy from there. You want to go to the folder location of the image data, which is this right here. It has the training and validation. Then you want to hit select. One thing to take note of is these are all images obtained from Kaggle. They are split 80% training and 20% validation. You can find most types of datasets on Kaggle, though when you go in through this link, you will not see the images, because like all these clicking options are for directories. So you always want to select the folder, not a file. So yes, select the folder, then the location to output the results. You can, so you want to just create any folder, and it should be preferably empty for each experiment. And what you want to do is again just select the folder. Then these are the options you have. These are different architectures, and each is for a specific situation. You could say the newest one and the most efficient is the efficient net, and this one's good for like edge devices such as Raspberry Pi and etc. So after selecting the model, putting in batch size, number of epochs, you just want to hit run, and from there the model should start training. Okay, as you see here, these are the classes that the model is training on. There's 4,300 training images and 800 evaluation images. The training images have been augmented, and this is the model right here, the mobile net. As you can see, epochs 1 out of 10. It will take a good while because it is like a lot of images, about 5,000 images in total, but you will see it training. So we will cancel the training and go and see how it would look like after it has been actually trained. So we're gonna hit X right here, terminate. We're gonna hit close. Then again, we're going to want to run it. It can be slow at times just because it's like a lot going on in the background. But okay, say after you trained and everything, you go into the test tab, you go to the location, you outputted the model, or any model. You can have multiple models, and you can go back anytime to load the models and test them. So okay, go to the test, load, click the load. This is a model I trained earlier before the video for demonstration. You go into the output folder, then you go into the model, then again into the folder that's presented there. The number may differ, but at the end you'll reach these two folders. Here you will find the pictures of the graphs and the confusion matrix for the model, all the evaluation files. But what you want to select is the cp.ckptd checkpoint folder. You want to hit select, and you want to load an image. And for this, you want to go to images. You want to select a image. Then you see it loaded here successfully. Then hit click the make prediction. Sorry. So as you can see, it is loading the model. Again, it sees what the original class is it was trained on. It loads the image size for the model automatically. And as you can see, at 87% confidence rates, it's a squirrel. So let's load another image. You can see here it is a spider. It shows you that it has loaded the image. Make prediction, and it will make a prediction, as well as we can download an image from Google Images and directly test it from there. You can say rooster. Okay, because this model was trained on detecting roosters. Save image. Okay, just give it whatever name. Go back here, load an image. We see this is the image we just downloaded, and we just hit prediction. And it will take a little bit of time. And it is a rooster with a 66% confidence rate. Okay, so this is it. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Thanks for watching.